Do not be fools and think he will die with his body. His fire burns in the bluest of blue through Congressman Pulong Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte, Mayor Baste Duterte, and through me, who is nobody yet but Justice Kitty. Would also like to say na he's strong as ever, strong still, while his body might become frail, spirit as breakable as always. He wala
shout out us sa Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Okay kayo.
Maraming friend o, nauna nino.
Kapatid kami, ano ka kayo sa eksena, ganyan. Ito ka mga taga-Davao.
Sama ko mag-cheat ka rin.
Ano ka muna mag-ice cream?
Hello, Chris.
Mag-ice cream muna.
Thank you.
kuan ko
Water.
night tissue kay
Ay, ito man.
Bigyan mo
Wet
tissue.
ba? Ano?
Manggawas din ng tissue.
Wet ba o?
kanang dry.
Dry.
Dry man.
Pwede mo ka to dry to
Okay lang natin. Okay lang. Salamat.
Magano ka muna, alcohol.
Uy, kadaghan ba ni?
May na mag-capin kayo sa
Di ano muna kami, mag-water muna kami. Water muna kami. Yung buong kapatid. Kitty! Mag-alcohol ka muna, oh.
Ma'am, mag-statement muna tayo kay Kitty, ma'am. Then mayroon tayong picture after. Sir, okay na, sir. Okay na, sir. Ma'am, dito muna tayo, ma'am, para mag-statement muna si Kitty, ma'am. Wala pong tanong, guys. Wait lang, Kitty.
Mayong adlaw, I will not be answering any questions for today, but I will be relaying a message. So, the day he was flown to The Hague, I sent my papa on his Viber what I posted on social media that day. It said, I will forever walk with pride, knowing that I am your daughter, your blood. The strength you raised me with will go untamed. I will stand by the promise I made you today. I love you. And dare I say it did go untamed. No, there is nothing and no one on this earth I will not face for my family, for my papa. You know, for me to be able to love this fearlessly at such a young age speaks volumes on how Rodrigo Roa Duterte raised me. Do not be fools and think he will die with his body. His fire burns in the bluest of blue through Congressman Pulong Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte, Mayor Baste Duterte, and through me, who is nobody yet but Justice Kitty. Would also like to say na he's strong as ever, strong still, while his body might become frail, spirit as breakable as always. He I didn't really discuss what happened today, but I asked him now, what do you feel, what do you think, what do you want them to know? Invictus, out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloodied but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate or how charged with punishments the scroll. And he did tell me to emphasize this part. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. So, he will live longer than you think. His immortality will be seen on the minds and in the hearts of every Filipino he has saved, and very long after that through his every descendant. So, if you've noticed, the strongest and most controversial personalities are always either to love or to hate. So remember this, no matter how much you hate PRRD, there will always be someone, no scratch that, there will always be millions who love him just as much or even more.
Yes.
If you think you will win, no, you will not. Because either way, Invictus. Thank you.
We love you, Kitty Duterte! We love you, Kitty!
Guys, para systematic tayo, dito po ang picture and then dito po yung exit.
Masaya naman ako kasi so long as he's okay, I'm okay. Ayun lang, may ano lang kami, may agreement kami, no water, no Fanta. Kasi bago na yung favorite niya, after ilang decades of Coke Zero, Fanta Zero na naman.
Okay. Kit, tomorrow is a very significant
Yes.
moment. Were you able to have a gist of what his overall feeling about the reading of the decision?
The thing is, whenever there are hearings like that, we don't talk about it to him so that whatever the decision might be, no disappointments ba. So, I'm sure he knows, or I'm sure he will be informed because I saw Nick on the way out, our
Yes.
legal team on the way out, and I'm sure that the legal team will discuss the details with him. Pero kami naman, we don't talk about it para hindi kami ma-disappoint if ever. But obviously, we are hoping.
Will you be able to follow or are you planning to follow the proceeding online even?
I might online, pero it usually, I mean, I decide on a whim eh. Pag hindi ako mapakali and feeling ko I need to see this bago pa ibang tao yung magbalita sa akin, or sometimes naman parang gusto ko sila na yung magsabi sa akin. So we're just really hoping. I know PRRD's hoping as well kasi obviously he misses his family, and every time we talk about life outside, nalulungkot siya. But I told him na you're here every day, and sometimes, kanina he asked kung approximately ilan kaya yung sa isang araw. Sabi ko, I don't really count. I just know there are a lot of supporters. But at least na, there are people coming every day.
In the event, should the appeals chamber decide in favor of the defense team with respect to the jurisdiction, hypothetically, if your father will be freed, what is the one thing that you would ask him to do?
I don't think I would ask him to do anything because I know that he has already all these things planned in his head, kung everything he wants to do after, and I just want to let him be, But I would like to, invite him for a Filipino meal doon sa Barrio Pilipinas, because I know na although he is given his meals inside, iba kumain pag may kasama eh. Actually, during the first few months, kumakain siya every time may bisita kami because he feels comfortable socializing and talking to us. Kaso hindi pwede because the meals in the vending machine are not diabetic friendly. So he has to eat talaga by himself inside. So, kaya mga snacks na lang pag nandun kami.
Kitty, I just want to relate to you and to your family that the Filipino people really wishes your father to be free. Very, very
Thank you
sweet.
sa
And we
inyong
pray for
lahat.
him every
Yes,
day.
he knows. Actually, I asked him kanina, Papa, do you know how loved you are? And he said na, I don't really want to say, but I think. Sabi ko, you think? You think?
Yeah.
So, he knows. I relay that to him every single day. And he has a message for you because pagpasok ko, I told him na, uy, may naghihintay na naman sa labas. And he said, tell them, personally, I said thank you. And they asked how I'm doing, tell them Invictus.
Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Everything.
Oh my God.
Sige na. Kasi di ba picture
Actually, no. Oh.
taga Davao.
na out of character ka madali.
Exhibition.
Ako sir.
Picture ko sir.
Out of character, gid ko pag every time I talk about you.